tap it in. Come on. Push. Push. Now I'm working. Now I'm in it. Now I'm like, all right, abs. I got you. I got you. Come on, Ariel. Come on. Come on. Show him you got power. Show him you got power. 4, 3. Come on. 2, and 1. All right, rest it out for a second. Check it out. Now we get knees to elbows. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. 50 seconds. Go up. Come on. There you go. There you go. Work those obliques. It's all about power. It's all about moving. It's all about insane abs. Let's push. Let's go. Let's dig. Let's move. Let's groove in those abs. Come on, get it in. You got 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Good job, baby. Come on. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Next move is over the mountain. You did it before. Boom, boom, over tap. Control it. Use speed. Use power and abs. Are we ready? I can't hear you, people. 3, 2, 1, go. Up, over, down. Come on, push, push. Work those obliques. Work those abs. Come on. You got it. You got it. You got it. Come on, Tanya. Come on, come on. Relax those shoulders. Come on, let's push. You're doing a good job. You're doing a good job. Tanya's the Insanity All-Star here. 3, 2, and 1. Excellent job. She only want to give me a high five because she's tired. All right, here we go. Now we got core reduction. Here we go, core reduction. Ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Knees in, knees out. Knees in, and go. Come on, guys. Come on, you got to be in it. Go. Come on, Rachel. Come on, Johnny. Let's push. Let's go. There you go. Come on. Looking good, looking good, looking good. How you feeling? 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay here. All right, take a break. All right, we got one more exercise. Come back, come back, come back. We got to get those hands up, hands in the air, knees open, hands out, knees together, and go. Push. There you go. Good job. Stay with Johnny. Keep pushing. He's working strong. Chin away from the chest. He's breathing. You might not hear him, but he's exhaling every time those knees come together. Come on, guys. You got 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Okay. Here we go. We're going to bicycles. 3, 2, 1. Go. Bicycles. Push. Push. You're in it. Come on. Go. 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 Now it's time for you to push. Now it's time to bang on those abs. Work it hard. Work hard. Knees in. Push. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Here we go. One more. Y'all ready? 3, 2. Hands up. Go. Push. Push. This is more about control. More about control. Keep pushing through. Keep moving. Keep going. Come on. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Shh. Shh. Keep going. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, I know we weren't doing cardio, but you might want to grab some water. Because this is craziness right here. This is crazy right here. Alright guys, next thing we're doing is oblique hops, okay? If you got a water bottle, make sure you put it out the way somewhere. I'll put mine over here. Because this is kind of insanity at its best, okay? So what you want to do, go in a low plank.